What up? Today I'll explain you how to use the swipe up feature without having 10k Instagram followers by a smart bypass that I will explain to you in a few easy steps. Having the swipe up feature is excellent to drive traffic to an external website like your business page, like a landing page, your YouTube channel, or your blog if you're a business person or a content creator. So step number one is you create an Instagram TV account. How do you do this? You open up Instagram. At the top you'll see the Instagram TV icon and you just press that and then you create an Instagram TV account. Step two is you create a promotional video where you promote your website or your YouTube channel or whatever you want to drive people to, and you create a 15-second promotional video. It's really important that it's minimum 15 seconds so it fits on the IGTV platform. I'll quickly show you how I would do that. Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I'm explaining you how to use the swipe up feature without having 10k followers. If this is something that you want to learn and you want to know how to do this, then it's really important that you press here. You saw I gave them a real clear call to action to press here. That's where our link is gonna be. If we press that button, they will be able to press our link. But you might be thinking like, hey Joachim, I see you doing this video thing, but it's not really me. I'm not that outgoing as you are. No worries, you can make a picture as well. But how you do this is really easy. So you take a picture and you use an app called InShot or iMovie. You take a picture and you use this picture inside a video editing app. You can use iMovie if you're an iPhone user, or you can use InShot on Android and on iPhone, where you can import a picture and make a movie out of it. Sounds complicated, but I'll show you how to do it. So what you do is you take a picture, you open InShot, and then we go to video, and then we start a new one, and then we'll just take let's take a picture. We go to photo, and then as you can see, this picture now has become a still film for 5 seconds. So 5 seconds is not enough. Like I told you, we need minimum 15 seconds, so we'll add a second picture. That way we have 10 seconds. That last picture will just make the duration longer. That way it's 15 seconds, and you can even put text upon it. We want to learn how to use the swipe up feature, right? And then we'll just add a call to action as well. So now we export it. That way we made a video without even talking. We just took a picture, and you can go really creative with this, you know. Later on I will explain you why that call to action was so important. But let's go on. So step 3 is we upload this video on Instagram TV. So let me go to Instagram TV. Let's click the plus sign to upload our video. Right. As you can see, we use the call to action. Go to next. And then it's really important that inside of the description we put our link that we want to promote. So I'll put my YouTube link here. So we put our link here, and then we post it. Right now it's posted. We go to step number 4. We go back to Instagram stories and we'll record a story. Hey, what's up guys? I uploaded a video on how to use the swipe up feature without having 10k followers. If you're interested, swipe up. Right? We put it on our story. It's really important now that we click the chains that you will see. Chains is to add a call to action, and we'll add the IGTV video. Voila, done. Call to action added. Then we share this on our story, and voila, it's uploaded on our Instagram story. So how does this all look like all together? Let me show you the finishing product. So let's say you go onto the Instagram story. Oh, we see there's a swipe up feature. Watch on IGTV. We watch the video, and then we press up. That's why the call to action was really important, that we put up where people have to click, and voila, people are going to an external website. This way you can utilize the swipe feature without having 10k followers. In this video I'll explain you how to use the swipe feature with less steps, but this requires a little bit of moolah. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you get a notification every time we upload a new video about Instagram, social media, or Facebook advertising. So with this one, body out.